In this tutorial video, we will be writing the slope, the parallel slope, and the perpendicular slope of the following graph. So here's our linear equation graph for us. We need to first identify the slope. I hope the first thing that you notice is that this is going downhill as we read from left to right. So this has a negative slope. But to identify the slope, we need to locate some points. On this one, we could use this point here, which happens to be the y-intercept. And then as we travel down the graph, we notice the next time that it intersects exactly at an axis, x and y axis is actually going to be the x-intercept, but I'll go ahead and highlight that one as well. And if we now need to find the rise and run to get to each one. So we have to travel from this point, we have to go down 1, 2, 3 units. So that would be a rise of -3. And then we have a run of 1, 2 units. So we have a run of 2. So our slope then would be -3/2. That's our given slope, okay? Well, the parallel slope is also -3/2. Then the perpendicular slope, I didn't draw that very well. The perpendicular slope is going to be the opposite reciprocal. So if the original is negative, then the perpendicular has to be positive. And if it's a fraction of 3/2, we're going to use the reciprocal and put 2/3. All right. So it's going to be a positive 2/3. Okay. That's a quick review of slope, parallel slope, and perpendicular slope from a graph.